While dandruff is usually linked to the scalp, it can also show up in other places like the eyebrows, mustache, and nose. But what is eyelash dandruff? Eyelash dandruff, also known as blepharitis, is a common condition where crusty dandruff-like flakes appear on your eyelashes. This happens when there is too much bacteria on your eyelids near the base of your lashes, or when your oil glands become clogged and irritated. It's quite common and can be caused by excess oil or fungal growth. Experts say it's often seen during winter or when seasons change. Eyelash dandruff is hard to see and can cause serious problems if not treated. Experts warn that sleeping with eyeliner and mascara on can also cause eyelash dandruff. While eyelash dandruff may not be easy to see, its symptoms include flaky skin or oily secretions along the eyelid edge, crusty eyelashes, eyelids stuck together in the morning, itchy or burning eyes, red or swollen eyelids, watery eyes, and sensitivity to light. Eyelash dandruff isn't just a cosmetic problem, it can be harmful to your eye health. Experts say there's a risk of chronic irritation, redness, eyelash loss, dry eyes, corneal damage, and even conditions like styes or chalazion. If not treated, eyelash dandruff can lead to serious eye infections like conjunctivitis or inflammation of the cornea. People who wear contact lenses need to be especially careful about eye hygiene. The flakes and bacteria can get on the lenses and cause infections. Cleaning the lenses regularly and managing eyelash dandruff with gentle eyelid scrubs can help reduce the risk. The most important way to prevent eyelash dandruff is to maintain good eyelid hygiene. Here are some steps you can take. Clean your eyelashes regularly with a gentle cleanser. Avoid using expired makeup. Always remove eye makeup before bed. If you have scalp dandruff, treat it as it can lead to eyelash dandruff. Don't share makeup tools with others. If you notice eyelash dandruff or any symptoms, visit an eye doctor. The doctor might recommend eye drops, creams, or even steroids depending on the severity. Experts also suggest using eyelid wipes and scrubs with tea tree oil to treat dandruff. Don't overwash your face, brows, or scalp. Use a gentle cleanser. Avoid products that can irritate your skin.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.